And now the Jieshuo, or what Austin refers to as the Joshua screen reader, aka commentary screen reader, CSR. This is where some feature of this screen reader is demonstrated.
And now we move on to our Jieshuo section, and Karene brings us the latest in this series, and this is demonstrating scenario adaptive TTS configurations.
Hi, maybe you know that Jieshuo Screen Reader has the ability to assign two TTS engines, the main TTS engine and the secondary TTS engine, which is used to read some information like notifications. And some months ago, the ability to assign a TTS engine for reading time and timer and stopwatch was added. And recently, this was taken to a new level. Let's see the scenario adaptive TTS configurations. I'll go to Jieshuo settings.
Main menu. Jieshuo settings. Jieshuo plus.
TTS settings.
Feedback setting. TTS settings. TTS settings.
And
Scenario adaptive TTS configurations.
Scenario adaptive TTS configurations. Let's see what we have here.
Scenario adaptive TTS configurations. Notification reading TTS settings.
So here I can assign TTS engines and settings according to the scenario, or like, for example, here we have the notification reading. So when there is a notification, I can assign the settings related to reading this notification with respect to TTS engine, speed, and other aspects.
Reading mode TTS settings.
This is the reading mode, which is a function in Jieshuo to read articles and web pages.
Chat messages auto reading TTS settings.
This is for the automatic message reading in chat apps, and you can find the settings related to the automatic message reading in reading settings.
Automatic browsing TTS settings.
This is for the automatic browsing, which is equivalent to read from next item in Jieshuo, in TalkBack.
Character by character browsing mode TTS settings.
This is the character by character browsing mode, which was demonstrated also here before.
Caller info TTS settings.
And this is for reading the caller ID and information when you receive a call.
Time announcement TTS settings.
And this is the same one that you find in the advanced settings, then timer settings, which is related to reading time, stopwatch, and timer information.
Scenario adaptive TTS configurations.
I'll see only one of them because they all contain the same set of options. I'll see with the automatic
browsing TTS settings.
Browsing TTS settings.
Automatic browsing select TTS rater. Select TTS engine main TTS engine.
I can select the TTS engine. I will select
main system TTS engine unchecked. eSpeak unchecked. Baidu Cloud TTS iFlyTech unchecked. Samsung text to speech engine /com.samsung.sn check.
So I selected Samsung TTS and I have
automatic browsing. Select TTS rate acceleration 1.
The rate acceleration, which is a feature in Jieshuo to enable you to accelerate the speech rate, but it doesn't work with all TTS engines. So, for example, if you are using Auto TTS, this will not work. So it works with some TTS engines, not with all of them.
TTS rate 50.
Here I can specify the rate. So I will keep it as it is.
TTS volume 100.
And the volume.
TTS pitch 50.
And the pitch.
Audio channel media.
And the media channel that should be used. I have
audio ringtone unchecked. Media checked. Alarm unchecked. Notification unchecked. Accessibility unchecked. Cancel button. Automatic browsing TTS settings.
So those are the things that I can specify. I will go back.
Scenario adaptive TTS configuration.
And I will test this.
Notification reading TTS settings. Main menu. Automatic browsing. Automatic browsing.
Reading mode TTS settings. Chat messages auto reading TTS settings.
So it started reading using the Samsung TTS, which is the TTS that I've specified.
Main menu. More button. Backwards automatic browsing.
Caller info TTS settings. Character by character browsing mode TTS settings. Automatic browsing TTS settings.
So it works here as well when the reading is reversed. I will try another thing, which is the character by character
Chat messages. Caller info TTS. Time
browsing
announcement
mode.
TTS. Character by character. Character by TTS rate acceleration. Select TTS engine main TTSN. Select acapella TTS/com.ok.
Acapella.
Character by character. Select TTS rate acceleration. TTS rate 50.
And the rate
TTS rate.
will
Cancel.
be
60. 54 unchecked. 51 40. 27 unchecked.
27. So slow. And
Checked.
I'll go back
Scenario adaptive TTS configurations.
and I'll open character by character browsing mode.
Character by character browsing mode.
I'll try to move by characters.
Capital C H.
Okay, so it worked as well. And I should note here before ending this demo that it's not necessary to use a secondary TTS engine for this to work. So it's independent of the option that is related to using a single TTS engine. If it's checked or unchecked, this will not make any difference. It used to make a difference. So it was necessary to enable to disable the use of a single TTS engine for the TTS configurations that are specific to scenarios to work. However, now this is not needed. Thank you for listening.